A lot of us find personal finance intimidating. I know I did. Maybe you never got proper money education growing up, or you're just not sure where to start with your own kids. But here's the good news. Teaching kids about money doesn't have to be complicated or scary. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to teach your kids about money at every age, from toddlers to teenagers. And trust me, it's way simpler than you think. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our money tips for parents. All right, let's do this. So why does teaching kids about money even matter? Well, think about it this way. Personal finance isn't some exclusive topic reserved for Wall Street experts. It's a fundamental life skill, just like learning to read or tie your shoes. When we talk about personal finance, we're really talking about managing your family's money, budgeting, saving, spending wisely, and planning for the future. Financial literacy means having the knowledge and skills to do all that effectively. The goal is to teach our kids 6 key things: the value of money, how to budget, the importance of saving, how to spend wisely, the difference between needs and wants, and eventually basic investing. Now, I know what you're thinking. My 5-year-old can barely sit still for 5 minutes. How am I supposed to teach them about investing? Don't worry. The secret is making it age-appropriate and fun. We're not teaching toddlers about cryptocurrency, I promise. We're starting simple and building from there. Let's start with the littlest learners, kids aged 3 to 6. At this age, money is a totally new concept, so we're keeping it super basic. Lesson number 1. What is money? Introduce your child to coins and bills. Let them hold them, look at them, examine them. You can even use play money if you want. Just help them understand that money is something we use to buy things. Lesson number 2. Needs versus wants. Believe it or not, even young kids can grasp this. Explain that some things like food and a home are things we need. We can't live without them. But other things like toys are wants. They're nice to have, but not essential. Try this. Next time you're at the store, point things out. We need milk for breakfast. We want that candy bar, but we don't need it. Lesson number 3. Saving basics. Get your child a piggy bank and make it fun. Encourage them to save money for something special they want. Maybe it's a new toy or a special outing. Lesson number 4. Earning money. This is where it gets really engaging for kids. Give them small amounts of money for completing age-appropriate tasks, putting away toys, setting the table, brushing teeth. This connects work with earning. Lesson number 5. Make it playful. Play games. Monopoly Junior is perfect for kids as young as 5. They're learning about money while having fun. It doesn't even feel like a lesson. Okay, now we're moving into the middle childhood years, ages 7 to 12. This is where things get more interesting because kids this age can handle more complex concepts. Lesson number 1. Budgeting basics. Introduce the 3-jar system or something similar. Help your child divide their allowance between spending, saving, and giving. This teaches them that money has different purposes. For example, if they get $10, maybe 3 goes to spending, 6 to saving, and 1 to giving. Let them decide the exact split so they feel ownership. Lesson number 2. Working for money. Expand the types of chores they can do. At this age, kids can vacuum, do dishes, help with yard work, or wash the car. The more variety, the better. It reinforces that work equals money. Lesson number 3. Saving for bigger goals. Now we're talking about goals that take weeks or months to achieve, not just days. This is huge for teaching patience and delayed gratification, critical life skills. If they want a bike that costs $200, break it down. If you save $10 a week, you'll have enough in 5 months. Lesson number 4. Smart shopping. Take them shopping and teach price comparison. Show them 2 similar items with different prices. Ask, which one is the better deal? Why? This teaches critical thinking about spending. You can even do budgeting activities together. like planning a party on a budget or back to school, shopping with a set amount of money. Lesson number 5, Introduction to Banking. Consider getting your child a prepaid debit card that you control. This teaches them about tracking expenses, managing digital money, and being responsible with cards. It's like training wheels for real banking. Lesson number 6, The Importance of Giving. Don't skip this. Teach your child about generosity, whether it's donating to a charity they care about or helping someone in need. Financial education isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's about being a good human too. All right, now we're in the teenage years, ages 13 to 18. Teens are way more independent and can handle much more responsibility. This is where financial education gets really exciting. Lesson number 1, Real Budgeting. Teens should be managing their own budget with minimal supervision from you. They need to make financial decisions and, yes, even make mistakes. That's how they learn. Give them more control over their money, but check in regularly to see how they're doing and offer guidance. Lesson number 2, Complex Financial Concepts. This is the time to teach about interest, how credit cards work, and what debt really means. Explain good debt versus bad debt. Show them how credit card interest compounds if you don't pay the full balance. These might sound like heavy topics, but teenagers need to understand them before they head off to college or start their first job. Lesson number 3, Career and Earning Potential. Teenagers are starting to think seriously about their future careers. Talk openly about how different career paths have different earning potentials. It can be really eye-opening for them. Lesson number 4, Entrepreneurship. Encourage your teen to start a small business if they're interested, whether it's a lemonade stand, dog walking, or an online shop. Entrepreneurship teaches incredible financial and business skills. Help them think through startup costs, pricing, marketing, and profit. These are real-world lessons they'll never forget. Lesson number 5, Saving and Investing for the Future. This is the big one. Teach your teen about compound interest. Show them how money grows over time when it's invested. Even if they're only saving $20 a month, starting at age 16 makes a huge difference by the time they're 30. Lesson number 6, Avoiding Bad Financial Decisions. Talk about the consequences of poor financial decisions. What happens if you max out credit cards? What if you don't save anything? What about impulse buying? These conversations might feel uncomfortable, but they're so important. Your teen needs to understand the real-world consequences before they're making these decisions on their own. Here's what I want you to remember. Financial literacy starts at home, and you can begin at any age. If you haven't started yet, don't panic. It's never too late. Start with simple concepts and gradually build from there. Your kids will catch up faster than you think. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. I'd love to know, what age are your kids and what's one money lesson you're planning to teach them this week? Drop it in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.